Hey, I'm Mike, owner at Iceberg Home Services. Around here, we believe in serving people, having fun, and winning big. And that starts with helping homeowners understand their AC systems. Today, I'm answering some of the most common questions that we get about keeping your home cool and comfortable. First up, how often should you change your air filter? Your air filter should be changed every 30 to 60 days, and it depends on a lot of different factors. If you have pets or allergies, every month is best. A clean air filter helps your system breathe easier and keeps your air clean and saves energy. It's one of the simplest ways to extend the life of your AC. Next question, how long does an AC system usually last in Florida? Because of the heat and humidity, most of the systems last about 10 to 12 years on average. We believe with regular maintenance, you can stretch that lifespan much longer. Taking care of your system now saves you big down the road. Do you really need maintenance every year? Yes, absolutely, especially here in Florida. Think of it like getting an oil change for your car. Skipping maintenance might not hurt right away, but over time it kills efficiency and shortens your system's lifespan. Our maintenance visits catch small issues before they turn into big, expensive ones. What's the biggest mistake homeowners make with their AC? Honestly, it's ignoring small signs. Weird noises, higher electric bills, uneven cooling, they don't fix themselves. If something feels off, call a pro early. A quick fix now can save you thousands later. Should you repair or replace your system? That depends on the age and the cost of the repair. If your system is over 10 years old and facing a big repair bill, replacement is usually smarter long term. But if it's a smaller issue and the system's still healthy, we always recommend repair first. What temperature should you keep your thermostat on? The sweet spot is around 76 to 78 degrees when you're at home and 80 degrees or higher when you're away. Every degree lower can raise your energy bill by about 3 to 5%. So comfort and savings are all about the balance. How can you lower your energy bill without sacrificing comfort? Keep your filters clean, set your thermostat smartly, and get annual tune-ups. If your system's older, upgrading to a high efficiency unit can cut your energy bill by 20 to 30%. It's one of the best home investments you can make. What's included in our maintenance plan? We check all major components, clean coils, inspect drains, test refrigerant levels, and make sure your system's running at peak efficiency. Plus, our members get priority service and discounts on repairs. It's a peace of mind for all year long. If you got more questions, drop them in the comments or give us a call. We love helping homeowners understand their comfort systems.